welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make fish bun or Malu Paan. First we're gonna add all the dry ingredients. I have taken all-purpose flour. I'm adding salt, sugar and instant yeast into this. Now mix them all together. Now time to add the melted butter and coconut oil. Now add the milk. You can use water as well, but the milk gives a way better flavor and texture. Please add it as you mix it. If you need more, add a tablespoon or two at a time until the right consistency is reached. So this is how your dough should look like. Make sure your kitchen surface is clean because we're gonna knead the dough there. Now knead the dough for 6 minutes. Set a timer and do this because mostly bread recipes fail because you don't knead it properly. But also make sure you don't over knead as well. So once you kneaded it, cover it with a damp paper towel. Meantime, I'm gonna boil the potatoes in a pan filled with slightly salted water. Don't boil the potatoes for too long as it's gonna be cooked again with the spices. I'm gonna take some mustard seeds, fennel seeds and dry red chili peppers. Now I have chopped some onions, garlic and green chilies, and I have taken some dry rump and curry leaves, but if you have fresh ones, just use them. Now take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil and cook the mustard, fennel and red chili peppers on medium-high heat. Now it's time to add your good stuffs, guys. I'm adding cinnamon stick, onion, green chilies, garlic, rump, curry leaves. Once it gets translucent, add the potatoes and cook on medium-high heat. Now I'm adding turmeric and salt to this as well. Now turn down the heat to medium and add the curry powder. I'm gonna add a splash of boiling water just to cook those potatoes more. Now add the drained, rinsed and cleaned mackerel from the can. You can use fresh as well, just be sure to skin and debone it well. If you are using the canned mackerel, break them into slightly big chunks as I have shown on the video. Now you can taste it and season with salt as you go. Now I'm gonna add some crushed pepper and salt. Now cook them for about 10 minutes on medium heat. Meanwhile, we're going to move to the dough. Now I'm going to press it down to release air. Form the dough into a log. So we're going to pull pieces from here. Cut them into the size you wanted. Now flatten it and roll it with a pin. Don't flatten it too thin or too thick. Now I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons or something of filling. It's up to you guys, but don't overpack because it will blow up. Now this is real quick and easy way to close the bun. I prefer more round shape because it's easier. You can do triangle fold method too. It's up to you guys. Now twist the bottom and pinch it to fully seal the bun. Now gently pack and round it off. Now place these on an oven tray with greased parchment. I'm gonna egg wash the buns. Make sure to cover as much as you can. While you were doing this, you should have preheated your oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These are going to bake for 30 to 35 minutes at the same heat. Isn't it just beautiful, guys? Now this is best with a cup of tea. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to press the bell button so that you can see my next video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.